let's get ready for the day, shall we? Oh hey! Now that we have the ambiance set with our beautiful candle, I'm gonna go through my skincare routine with you guys, kind of give you guys like a sneak peek at what I do every morning before I go to work, which is just literally downstairs. So the first thing I do when I get out of the shower is I put on lotion all over my body except for my face because I use special stuff for my face. I actually just use this cocoa butter from Palmer's. I've been using it since I got pregnant and it just works wonderfully. I have lots of dry skin bumps and this actually makes them go away. Hang tight, I'm gonna put on my lotion and then we'll be right back. I'm a little bit more decent now. Put lotion all over my body, head to toe, not head, but you know, the rest of it. And now I'm gonna start on my face routine, which has a few steps, so let's just get right into it. I'm so excited to announce that part of this video, I have partnered with Teami, which is a tea and skincare brand. They were so generous to provide me with a few products to try out and let you guys know how I like them. Okay, so the first thing I put on my face is this serum that's vitamin C. It's tea infused and it smells like hibiscus. So here it is. And I just put this on my face first because it makes it nice and glowy. Vitamin C is supposed to be really good for your face and the smell is really beautiful. Hibiscus, it smells like, to me, it smells like Hawaii. So there's two things to me that smell like Hawaii. One is hibiscus and the other thing is guava. I really love the smell of it and it's a beautiful color. See that? They provided me with a 20% off coupon for you guys, so I'm gonna put it on the screen now. It's TravelMom20. So that's 20% off any orders of $24 or more. Pro tip when you're putting stuff on like skincare products, you wanna put it on the tips of your fingers and then put it on that way, because if you put stuff here, you actually lose a lot of the product. So you put it on the tips of your fingers, then you put it on your skin. But you can use 1 to 3 pumps of this. I don't really typically need that much, but I also put it on my décolleté. How do you say this? I never know how to say this word. Décolleté, whatever. I don't know. This chest area here. Because anything you do to your face, you want to do to your chest as well, because this area shows sign of aging. This is the first step for me, and if you can tell, like it already made my skin look so nice. And that's just step 1. We're gonna really jazz it up. So again, if you want to check out this product, it will be linked down below, along with the discount code. Y'all know we love discounts here. So that's the first step. So you can see how my skin is already glowing. See? I love skincare. So I'd actually been wanting to try a facial roller for so long. I even looked at different techniques on how to use them. I wasn't really sure which one to get. So I got this one from Teami. This is also another Teami product and something you can use your discount code on. It's a facial roller, it's quartz. It is my new favorite thing. It comes in this beautiful box and I'm just gonna keep it in this box just to keep it safe with this nice little silky like pillow that it sits in. And if you're familiar with facial rollers, they're really great for if your skin is really puffy, which mine is all the time now because the baby keeps me up all the time, and I'm pretty sure all moms can relate to this. I'm still getting my technique down, don't laugh. Okay. Honestly, I don't think I could ever live without this now because it just makes my skin feel so refreshed and cool. It's kind of like when it's like a hot day in the summer and you put your face in the freezer or you lay on like the cold tile floor, it feels like that on your face. It helps with lymphatic drainage, smoothing fine lines and wrinkles, and just overall just feeling really nice. It's a massage for your face. Massaging is great for health of your skin and your body. This is my new favorite thing. You're supposed to go over a spot like 3 to 9 times. I typically do 3 just because time's sake, but I find myself just like doing it more and more and more because it just feels so nice. After I do this, my skin always feels nice and tight, feels refreshed. Honestly, that's something I could use more of now that I'm just like tired all the time because I'm a mom. I mean, I don't know if you can see the difference, but I certainly feel my skin feels really good after this. So how's my skin looking so far? It looks pretty good and glowy to me. Oh, hello, 30s. Looking good, 30s. Okay, girl. a must for your skincare routine. Moving right along. The next thing I do, for some reason, since I got pregnant and then now that I'm nursing, I kind of get a little dry like right here. So I just add a little bit of this ashwagandha, reishi, and pentapeptide. I really messed that up, I already know. This deep moisture cream by Youth to the People. I'm a big fan of Youth to the People. They are lovely. You don't need a whole lot and you're not supposed to use a whole lot, so I get like that much. And I just have it right around here. I know this is like a super extra routine for a lot of people. Like some people would just stop at the vitamin C, which is totally fine. For me, I like a really, really dewy look. And the reason for that, youthful skin is glowy skin. If your skin is dry, it just ages you. I do everything I can to make sure my skin is glowing. Yes. Even if you're young, like you're never too young to start a skincare routine. And I really wish that I would have started taking it super seriously earlier than I did. A couple more things I do. I'm not done by any means. But then I go, honestly can't say this word, décolleté. French, I swear I should have taken it. This is this meaningful beauty stuff for your chest. Everything you do to your face, you wanna do to your chest. You wanna hydrate that area and make sure it's nice and taken care of. Very nice. That's the Meaningful Beauty neck cream and décolleté, whatever, however you say it. So I do that, and then before I blow dry my hair, I go ahead and take this Superfood Peptide Eye Cream from Youth to the People, another Youth to the People product. Eye cream's important, so I put just like a little boop, 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 boop. I probably used too much, I'm not gonna lie. Probably don't need that much. Again, I'm extra in everything I do, including my skincare routine. But I think if you're gonna be extra at anything, I think the skincare routine's like, it's not a bad thing to be extra about. And if you guys have anything you really like that works so well for your skin, please drop it in the comments below. I'm always looking for some new techniques. If I'm doing things wrong, just tell me, because you know, I'm learning just like everyone's learning how to take care of their skin. I'm not a professional, but I think I do a pretty good job. I have some dark spots under my eye that I'm working on, but honestly, they're a lot better after I started using this, because the baby keeps me up. She really does. And I was starting to get some serious dark circles under my eyes. Okay, now I gotta blow dry my hair. My hair is really, really fine. Like you can tell, like you can see through my hair. First thing I do is I take some Aveda, the Light Element smoothing fluid lotion. I am very careful not to put this anywhere but the very ends of my hair, just to help me brush through my hair. If I use too much of anything in my hair, it's a bad day for me. It's like I'm like my grease ball. Okay, let's blow dry this baby. So when my hair is almost all the way dry, I flip it upside down and blow dry it upside down so I can get more volume, because fine hair. All right, moving on. Now my hair is all dry. It's not very lifeful. It's very flat, but that's just because my hair is so fine. I do usually use mousse, but I'm out, so that's okay, we're all right. The next thing I do, which is the last bit of my skincare routine, is use the Super Berry Hydrating and Glow Oil from Youth to the People. Obviously, you guys are catching on a trend. I use Teami and Youth to the People a lot. This is typically the last thing I do unless I roll my skin out again, honestly. Just like, you don't have to, but it just feels so nice. I like to do it like a million times a day. I go ahead and use a few drops of this. Again, I just like to have the most beautiful, glowy skin on the planet. I use a little bit of this and you just dab it in and like press it into your skin. I have to wait until my hair is dry to use this because my hair is so fine. My hair touches my face and this oil gets in my hair. I will be a big grease ball, which is not good for anybody, for being honest. So yeah, you can see, obviously my skin looks oily, but it will absorb in. I'm not really terribly concerned. Obviously I know that because I do this every day. Really, it doesn't take much of that. And put some chapstick on. So around Christmas time, I stock up on this candy cane chapstick because it's my favorite. It's nice and cooling. Now, everyone gets older. Fine lines and wrinkles are part of life, but whatever you can do to, you know, maintain as long as possible, honestly, I'm on board. That is the final part of my skincare routine. You can see I'll give it a few minutes, like probably like 5-10 minutes for everything to absorb into my skin before I put on my makeup. So that is my skincare routine. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something. If you guys have something you really like to do, please drop in the comments below. If you have any techniques, things that you saw that I did wrong, please let me know. I'm always learning, so. And my last and final tip, drink lots and lots of water. It's one of the best things you can do for your skin, and it's completely free. Lots of water will keep your skin very hydrated, very youthful looking. It's gonna bring out that natural glow from the inside out. Water is your best friend. Downside is you have to pee a lot. All right, guys, I love you so much. Thank you for joining me for my skincare routine, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time. If you guys would like a nighttime routine, please let me know in the comments below, and I'd be happy to give that to you. I love you guys so much. Bye.